Didn't feel like vlogging much today, but just picked up a little shoe from Finish Line. So let's go home. Let's go take a look at these. Okay, on feet, we got the True Blue Air Jordan 3s. Let's go home. Let's go take a look at today's release, and we'll talk about the shoe, and we'll talk about resale. Stay tuned. Back home with the bag from Finish Line. I do have a cut on my lip, so if you guys see that, it's just a cut on my lip. But let's get right into the sneakers. This right here is the Air Jordan 4 Oreo Tech Gray, they're also calling it. This sneaker is clean. In this video, we're going to talk about, should you buy this sneaker? Is this sneaker a good sneaker investment? A bad sneaker investment? Is this sneaker clean? Is this sneaker wearable? How's the quality? How's the materials? Is this a good cop overall? Let's take a look at the Air Jordan 4 Oreo. Right here we have the box, which they did change it up. We now have a white box with the red Jumpman and Flight. Very nice. And of course, you have the cement print all around. Very nice box switch up, and there is a look at the label. Retail is $190, of course, on this pair of Jordan 4s. Open up the box. You do have the cement tissue paper, and here they are. Wow, my first time seeing them. These are the Air Jordan 4 Oreo, also known as Tech Gray. Click the top link down below in the description. Go cop a sticker, a fire, straight fire sticker. For $10, you're going to get yourself a sticker and a chance at winning some hype sneakers like Jordan 1 Mochas, Hyper Royals, University Blues, Jordan 4 Fire Reds, I'm in Air Jordan 3s, and someone's gonna win Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is go cop a sticker and you are entered. We're gonna have multiple winners. A bunch of you guys are gonna be winning some really hype sneakers. Check out the link down below in the description. More family, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for your support. It means the world to me. Go cop a sticker. Link down below. These, first of all, are fire, straight fire. Let me know down below in the comments. Right now, did you take a W? Did you take an L? If you did cop this sneaker, leave a comment down below. Comment W. If you took an L, comment L. I want to see who copped and who did not out there in the More family. Also, be sure you guys like this video and subscribe to the channel if you guys love sneaker content. This Jordan 4, man, is very, very clean. Very clean. Very, very wearable. Very wearable, which we're going to talk about here in a second, about resale, about wearability when it comes to the sneaker. This Jordan 4 is so clean, especially here for the summertime. So you do have an all-white bottom, your red Jumpman, and the gray stars at the top. Taking a look at the upper. Wow, we have very nice leather. Wow, Jordan brand definitely gave us a nice quality leather used on this sneaker. It's tumbled a little bit, not too much. I think each pair will vary, but this pair is a little tumbled, a little bit of tumbleness to the leather. Very soft white leather. Very nice Jordan brand for this retro. They did a good job. You do have the cement eyelets there with the black speckling. Same thing going on the midsole, also known as the Oreo. This is why it's called the Oreo. Tech Gray is the official color, and then you do have the gray Jumpman there on the back. Same thing on the inside, and they do have the netting. The original Oreo 4, I did have them. I no longer have them. They were beat. I wore them to the ground, to be honest. But the original Oreo 4, back in 2015 when those released, those and the 1999 retro did not have this netting. They came with leather there. This retro, the Oreo, the white Oreo anyway, this here has the original Jordan 4 netting, just like the white cement 4s. So basically, in my opinion, if you take the white cement 4 and the Oreo Jordan 4, you'll wind up with this, in my kind of opinion. That's basically a smash up of the two shoes. Very, very nice. Very good quality. You do have a red Jumpman stitch there on the tongue. Once again, very nice leather used here on the tongue. On the inside, you do have some gray, and it's very padded. Look how padded that is. Thick. Definitely thick over here. Wow, lots of padding, and it is in that gray sock liner as well, and it feels like kind of like satin material for the sock liner, and then you do have a white insole with a red Jumpman. These are very, very dope. Very, very clean, wearable. So as far as wearability, if you want to wear this sneaker, rock them, do it, man. Rock them for the summertime. Rock them, rock them, rock them. Enjoy them. They're clean. They're going to look very, very clean, very fire on feet. So this right here is a buy for a must cop for personal. If it's a must cop for you for personal, go get them. Go buy them. You'll definitely enjoy them. You'll rock them. And they're very, very dope. Now, resale is a little high right now. It is at around $270, $280. That will drop when pairs come in from online. This sneaker has, of course, sold out. Heavily botted, of course. And, yeah, that's just how the game goes. They will restock several times. We'll have a bunch of restocks. At the end of the day, this was a GR. Even though GRs do sell out and have resale nowadays for the most part. These are a GR. It is a Jordan 4. Now, let's talk about the colorway and it being a Jordan 4 when it comes to resale. Guys, resale is around $270, $280 like I said. They will drop when pairs come in. I expect them to go to around $230, $240, maybe even $220 depending on the size for this sneaker, right? They'll go for around $220 to $240. I do see them eventually going up to around that $300, $320 price point. Definitely. A few reasons I say it is because of the model. First of all, it's a Jordan 4. It's a clean, wearable Jordan 4, and it's a white Jordan 4. Guys, take a look at the history of white Jordan 4s. Most of them do well. They do take time to go up. It will be a longer hold than other sneakers, but this is not a solid bad hold. It's not a great hold at the same time, but it's not a bad hold either. They'll definitely do well in the future. I say give it a year and a half, and they'll definitely be around that $300 to $320. That could be worth it for you. Also, could be not worth it. It depends. But a very clean, solid Jordan 4. I say wait a year. Wait till next summer. Not this summer. Next summer. Maybe they'll kick off. They could kick off a little bit more during Christmas time coming up as well. This could be one of the sneakers that people do look back this Christmas time and want to go back and cop. So maybe another $20 or $30 price increase by Christmas time. That's possible. But I do expect prices to drop. So if you have them now and you want to go make some money now, hey, I won't be mad if you want to sell them. Go get that quick flip and make your money now. But if you want to invest in pairs, I would say wait. Try to pay around $210, $220 for pairs. Wait, though. Wait. Don't buy them now. It's too soon after the drop. I would say wait a solid 2-3 weeks. And, yeah, then go ahead and buy up some pairs. Because these will definitely do well. Like I said, guys, they are a clean Jordan 4. They're very reminiscent, very similar to, of course, the OG White Cement Air Jordan 4. And the OREO Air Jordan 4. Like I said, this is the white OREO Air Jordan 4, also known as the Tech Gray Jordan 4. Let me know down below in the comments. Let me know if you guys copped this sneaker here today. Did you take a W? Did you take an L? These are very dope. Very, very wearable. And quality is good. So overall, I would say yes, this is a cop. Should you buy them? Absolutely for personal. And absolutely for resale. I think overall, yeah. Definitely a banger of a shoe. Definitely a nice, clean, general release Air Jordan 4. All white with some gray. Extremely wearable. Can't forget the little bit of red there on the Jumpman. Let me know what you guys think about them down below. Be sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. Make sure you guys, please, also subscribe to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. If you guys love sneakers, go ahead and join the More family. Let me know what you guys think about the Jordan 4 OREO down below in the comments. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.